Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul and I picked up some more fall items that I know you guys are gonna love.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all my ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. So let's just jump into today's video, which is a Dollar Tree haul, guys, and I found some more fall items that were on my wish list, lookout wish list. I finally hit the jackpot and found the things that I wanted and was looking for. But before I jump into that, let me just share with you guys my recent DIY that I shared with you guys on my channel was these wood crates that I made. I love the way that they came out. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will put a card up above and also in the description box below on how you can make these wood crates with Dollar Tree items. This one costs about $5 to make, and this one costs $3 with just the setup. But if you add the little design, it's probably like under $4 because the little harvest sign came 3 to a pack, so probably like $3.33. So, but they were easy. They both were under $5. I love the way they came out, and I definitely plan to decorate these for fall so I can use these crates all year round. So some of the things that you see in today's haul, I'll be using probably to decorate these crates and also the stuff that I've been hauling to you guys before. So before I jump into like the Dollar Tree stuff, I want to share with you guys what I found at Walmart. There was 97 cents and it was this floral pick, and this is like, I had to share this with you guys because look how big it is. I'm trying to get it in the camera. How big it is. It's a big bouquet for 97 cents at Walmart. I already have some of these leaves, but the fact that it came with so much leaves for 97 cents, I had to pick it up. And they also have this other one that's like, it has the leaves, the acorns, and the pumpkins, and it comes with a lot too. A lot more than the florals do that Dollar Tree has, and they were also 97 cents. So I just wanted to share with you guys that they have these out there at Walmart for 97 cents with a little sparkle in them. So I picked up 2. So stay tuned. I'll be using them to decorate. This is a lot. I mean, this is a good price. You're paying 3 cents cheaper than Dollar Tree, and you get a lot more. I mean, it's really huge. So I just want to start off the haul with that one to share with you guys that they have that at Walmart. Another thing I got today, this week at Dollar Tree, is I finally found the other wood sign, the beige one. I told you guys, I hauled to you guys the orange one last week. I finally found this one. They still haven't brought the black one out to my store, but I don't think I want that one actually, so I might not be on the lookout for it, but they did finally bring the beige one, so I was excited about that. And then guys, I bought a whole bunch of pumpkins that they had to put like in a box for me. So I bought, not that I need any more pumpkins because like you guys, I told you guys before, I have a lot of pumpkins, but fall is my favorite season. I love the fall. And these pumpkins that I picked up, I feel like that when you see them at Hobby Lobby or Hallmark stores or any of those stores, they can go for so much more than $1 because the detail on these are gorgeous. So the first ones I picked up, and I picked up 2 of each of these, is this one that's kind of like, I'm trying to hold the box too. It's kind of like a beat up pumpkin, but it makes it more realistic, and it's orange with gold in it, and then it has like this metal leaf to it, and I think it's so cute. I love the design of it. They had other styles, but I just love the orange one, so that's the one I picked up. And then these next ones that I'm going to share with you kind of got the same style, but I picked up all the colors except for the maroon one because I just don't feel like, I don't like the maroon color for fall, not for me. So I picked up every color except for maroon. The first one is this regular orange one, and the detail on this, how it has, like, I don't even know how to explain this design, but the detail on it looks so gorgeous. I just feel like you can find it in the high-end stores for so much more. So this is how the dark orange one looks like. I also picked up the lighter orange, which also has a different style to it. Like this one is a little bit like taller, and this one is more like rounder and short. So I love the style of that one. I've never seen a beige pumpkin before at Dollar Tree. I've seen like the white ones, but this one is really cute, and I feel like this is so farmhouse because you know with the farmhouse, the neutral tones and the beige tones, this is gorgeous. So this one is like a little bit smaller than this one, and then it has the beige tones. And then I also picked up, let me put these before I mess them up. I also picked up this color, which I know it doesn't go with like it kind of goes with my old color scheme when I love blue, and I know it kind of goes against all the fall colors, but I just had to pick it up because it was so different and it looks so glamorous. And like I said, you can find this for more money somewhere else, so I just had to grab it. And it's this blue, kind of like a navy blue pumpkin, and I love the navy blue colors. If you see my living room, I have like navy blue pillows because I love this. I just love the navy color too. I like it when it goes with the grays and the blacks. But I had to pick up this pumpkin. It's the same size as the orange one, but it's just so different, and I like it. So I'm probably going to use this one and this one to decorate my bedroom. I'm not sure where, but I just love the color of this one. And then, let me see if there's all the colors. Oh, and then of course I picked up the green one. They had a green one, and you know, the green one goes with the neutral tones of farmhouse, so I definitely had to pick that one up. And the green one is the same size as the beige one. So, I mean, I love these pumpkins. I mean, I know I don't need no more pumpkins, but I mean, when they bring out these nice ones that look so high end, like you have to get them. And I always get a set of two because you never know. Because when I'm styling, when I'm decorating, sometimes just one pumpkin doesn't look right. I need to balance it out. Like my mind is OCD. I need to have like a balance of a set of two everywhere. So I got a set of two of those. And I think that's all that I got for fall decor. And I think I'm good with fall decor this year. Maybe. So some other things I picked up was in the craft section. This was new to me. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but I haven't seen it. And it was the wreath forms, the wire wreath form, but it was a 2-pack. I've seen these before with the different sizes, but they come one. And so this one came 2 to a pack. So I thought that was pretty a good price and a good deal for it. And so I don't have in mind what I'm going to do with it yet, but I kind of have some ideas. But the fact that it came 2 to a pack, and I feel like this is going to go fast because a lot of DIYers are going to want this, I decided to pick up one so I can have it on hand for my future DIYs. And then another thing I picked up was Dollar Tree has fabric pieces in their craft section, and usually there was no colors that I liked. But I noticed these 2 colors, and I picked them up because this one, it has like a checkered kind of blue, and this will be great with farmhouse all year round. And then I saw this one that had like the blue stars, the red stars on white, and it reminded me of 4th of July. And these together look so good together. And even though I don't decorate for the 4th of July or Labor Day or Memorial Day, I know that you guys love those DIYs, and I like making things for you guys. So I picked up one of each because when it come around Memorial Day or Labor Day or 4th of July, I will have these on hand for some DIYs for you guys. And maybe next year I might, you know, throw a 4th of July barbecue, and I might want to decorate. So I wanted to grab them now because, you know, they might be gone later. But I think these 2 colors paired together look great for decor, especially during the 4th of July season. In my last Dollar Tree haul, I shared with you guys that I picked up some collapsible bins because they brought out the neutral colors. They brought out this black with the gray, which is so nice. I mean, I think it goes with anything. And usually when you get a Dollar Tree, you get those funky colors. But I picked up the smaller size this time because I'm going to be sharing with you guys kind of like an organizational thing that I do with these. I will be sharing with you guys how I use the big ones. I use them in my daughter's playroom, and also you will see it in a vlog. I used it, me and my daughter redid her room, and so she used it in her room as well. So you'll see the big ones in the vlog. And then I'll be sharing with you guys how I use the small ones. But I think these are a good deal because you can use them for so many things around your house. And the fact that they finally brought some neutral colors and not those crazy colors is amazing. In the back to school section, I saw this ring holder for the phone. I want to try that because I've never had a ring holder for my phone, and you know, I do all my vlogging on my phone. That's why you'll see like on these videos that I'm talking to you right here, and on my vlogs is a different quality because I do it with my phone because my phone has the auto adjust. And so I needed something like this to hold it. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how good this does. Also in the back to school section, they're bringing out all the Germex. They have bigger bottles that are for $1 as well, which is a good deal. But I had to pick up one because I needed one in my purse. I'm just OCD. I really need to have that stuff in my, in my purse at all times, and I ran out, so I was like, let me grab it. Next in the what is it? Not the audio. Well, kind of like in the what's it called? I would say like the building or do-it-yourself aisle. Basically like all the stuff that has all the tools. Yeah, the tool aisle. I picked up these removable hooks, these small ones, because I have a DIY project that I'm going to do for my youngest daughter's room. So stay tuned for that. But these come with 9 to a pack, and the sticky on these like Dollar Tree brands are not good at all, but I'm going to use it for a DIY, which I'll be using like a different type of glue, so it's good for, DIYs. But as far as like hanging them on your wall and the sticky that comes with those types, it's not a good quality, so I don't recommend that. I bought some more adhesive glue because you guys know this is my go-to glue that I use in all my DIYs that you guys see me use. This glue is amazing. It's better than E6000. Well, not better. It's just as good as E6000, and you just get it for $1, so I love it. Definitely pick those up. Another thing that I found, the last two things that I found was in the hair section, and this one is just a comb set. And me and my daughters, we have like mixed hair, so we do a lot of partings and different styles that we needed. And I've been looking for a comb like this, and I didn't know Dollar Tree had it. I didn't know Dollar Tree had it for $1, and I would have paid $1 just for this one that I had. But it comes with another one, so I bought two of those, one for me and one for my oldest daughter to have in her room by herself because she takes my stuff all the time. And then the last thing I got was this Whole Blends Rinse Out Cream. I shared this with you guys before that I hauled it. I've used this one. I haven't used the brown one yet that I bought too. This works amazing in your hair. It made my hair feel so silky and so conditioned. And I'm going to be doing some stuff with my hair that I'm experimenting, so I'm going to need to deep condition my hair. And you guys let me know in the comments that you guys wanted to see a deep conditioning treatment on how I do it with me and my daughter's hair. So I'll be sharing with you guys what I do to kind of create our deep condition. I put like a lot of things in it. And so I always start off with like a deep condition brand itself, and then I add some other stuff to it. So, but that's a good one if you want to get it on its own. I've used it before, and it left my hair feeling so silky, so moisturized, and so nice. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul this week, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. My question for you today is, I always tell you lately that my favorite season is the fall. I love the fall. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite season and why? Why do you love it so much? I love the fall because I just love the colors of the fall. I love how it's not too hot, it's not too cold. I love the smell of the pumpkin spice. I love all the baked goods. I just love the ambiance of fall. Like, it's just beautiful to me. So that's why I love it. And I love Halloween too. My girls love celebrating Halloween. We can dress up and do different like activities for Halloween. I love hair rides. I love getting the pumpkins. Everything that has to do with like the fall, that's my thing. So that's why I love it. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite season and why? And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.